I want to talk about the problem of Nvidia. There's a lot of the network's kind of view that I heard yesterday was a slowdown. That's just not true. There is no slowdown. But what there is a complication. This new chip's very, very powerful, really hard to make, but there's a couple of releases today, really good release from Oracle and Nvidia together, talking about, and this is the complication, AI supercomputer, the largest in the cloud, to deliver up to 131,072 Nvidia GPUs to enable customers to build, train, and inference AI at scale. Now we're all over our heads. See, now we're all trying to figure out what do you do with that. Like, I immediately shot a memo, a series of questions to NVIDIA saying, well, what does that mean? And when you don't know what it means, and I've spent 12 years trying to understand NVIDIA, then what are the people going to do is like, we will own it because they just hear that it goes up. We are now in a moment where NVIDIA is too hard for most people to understand, and we need Jensen to explain it. And why, if that's late, what does that mean? So I say that we're at a moment of confusion in NVIDIA, not a moment of slowdown.
But didn't they give a bit of an explanation during the earnings when they discussed and gave a little detail around Blackwell and why it was going to get up to full production? Not too long. Right,
and that's important. Like, for instance, we found out that sovereign users want it. But more importantly, I mean, you look at it and you can say, okay, well, I don't know exactly what it does, but boy, does Larry Ellison want it. And Oracle really wants it. Oracle wants to be involved with the NVIDIA supercomputer. That's the term we should be using, not even platform, just a supercomputer. But I just pointed out because, David, until all the people who don't understand what NVIDIA does get out of stock, you ain't going anywhere.
All right. In this segment, Jim Cramer discusses NVIDIA's complex and evolving situation. He highlights how NVIDIA's new, extremely powerful chip, part of an AI supercomputer project with Oracle, is generating both excitement and confusion. The project involves a massive number of GPUs, making it difficult for many, including Cramer, to fully grasp its potential. While Cramer has spent years trying to understand NVIDIA, he believes that the company's future is promising, though it's challenging for the average person to comprehend its intricacies. He calls for NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang to provide further clarity. Cramer emphasizes that this is a moment of confusion, not a slowdown for NVIDIA, and points out that major companies like Oracle and sovereign entities are keen on using these new technologies. Recently, Jim Cramer highlighted something crucial for tech investors. In an episode of Mad Money, he explained that tech stocks, including Nvidia, tend to shine when the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates high and the economy slows down. However, when the Fed cuts rates, as they did recently, investors shift their focus to companies with strong earnings growth due to lower rates. Cramer makes it clear that not all tech stocks are created equal. While some may struggle after rate cuts, standout companies like Nvidia continue to thrive due to their innovative edge and strong fundamentals. One key reason why Jim Cramer remains bullish on Nvidia is their dominance in the AI space. Cramer pointed out that AI can drive profits even when sales are slowing down. Nvidia's cutting-edge chips and GPUs are essential for AI applications, making it a critical player in the tech industry. As mentioned in the article, Cramer highlighted Nvidia's ambition to build more powerful chips capable of handling AI and machine learning tasks. These advancements are pushing the company to new heights. Nvidia has been making headlines with major contracts and impressive advancements in AI technology. In Q2 2024, Nvidia's earnings exceeded expectations, posting record revenue growth due to high demand for its GPUs. Analysts have even raised their price targets, reflecting a bullish outlook for the company. From autonomous vehicles to cloud computing, Nvidia is expanding its influence across various industries. Their GPUs are critical for AI adoption across multiple sectors, which positions Nvidia for long-term growth. According to Cramer, Nvidia is not only leading in AI, but they're also innovating with new architectures like Hopper and Grace, improving performance for high-performance computing tasks. This is why Nvidia ranks first on his list of stocks that could change your investment game. To sum it up, Jim Cramer believes Nvidia is a game-changer in the investment world, and it's easy to see why. With their strong presence in AI, strategic partnerships, and continuous innovation, Nvidia is a stock worth keeping an eye on. What do you think? Is Nvidia a part of your investment strategy? Let us know in the comments below.